Hey, what's up, folks? This is Kwesi, Fulton, coming to you from StretchSPOT, and today we're going to talk about what could be the one reason you have back pain. So hang out, stay tuned, and hope you learn something. Okay, pretty much every day, I have 10 people come in the shop, 20 people come in the shop. 6 of them to 8 of them have some sort of back problem, and I'm going to tell you what most of the time the problem is. The problem is in the glute, and it's tight. Why is the glute tight? We sit a lot, we sit at our jobs, we sit in traffic, especially in LA or in the South Bay area. Wherever you're at, you pretty much sit. So our glutes, our mind-glute connection isn't as strong as it used to be. Now your question is probably, okay, now that my glutes aren't active, what do I do? Here's a couple things you can do. First, you got to address the problem, which a lot of times when you sit on your glutes or your glutes are inactive, you have something called trigger points in your glutes. And how do you get trigger points out? And what are trigger points? They're these little tight knots that don't let your muscle extend like it normally would. So here's a few things you can do to first get the knot out of your glute. You can use a tool like a lacrosse ball, use a tool like a percussion gun. Just easier ways or faster ways to do it than the lacrosse ball. But don't underestimate the power of the lacrosse ball. Now, where do you put it? I can show you here. Okay, Mrs. Zoe Brown's going to help demonstrate for us what to do with the lacrosse ball. So what you're going to do, you're going to lay down and sit on the ball on the gluteus medius, that's the gluteus maximus, and that's the gluteus maximus, and then right under the glute you apply pressure there. The next thing you can do is stretch. Now you probably want to focus on your glute area, and there's different angles that you can stretch your glutes, but you want to spend about 10 or 15 minutes doing that daily, especially if it's really tight. Last, there are exercises that you can do in the weight room or at home that can actually help you strengthen your glute. Would probably have less back pain. This is the Sumo squat, and the idea is you want to activate your glute by pressing your heels into the floor. Next exercise is a scissor kick. You lay on your side, and again, you want to really focus on activating your glute, gluteus medius or gluteus maximus. There it is again. Now don't go overboard with this one. Next exercise is a deadlift, and you can do it with weights or no weights, but you want to really activate your glute again. The next exercise is a Superman, and you activate your glute again. And last, you can seek professional help that can, someone that knows what they're doing and that can help you actually relieve the pressure in your glute and stretch your glute muscles out. Oh, that might be us at StretchSPOT. So, all right, thanks for taking a look. Hopefully that helped, and I'll see you on the next video.